Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn your past into a doll in the CapCut apps. Okay, open the CapCut apps. Okay, it's take a long time. Go to edit and select new project and select your videos or photos that you want to edit. Okay, I already have one project with one video, which is this video in the CapCut library in the stock videos. So to add or apply doll effect to your face or to your video, just select effect, select body effect. Just go to roll and you can find the doll effect, but this is pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. Okay, just click check mark. As you can see, the doll effect has been added to your clip. Okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.